Hello and welcome to the Everfit training app. After signing up or logging in, you'll be greeted with the home screen here. First thing I would do would be to click into coaching on the bottom part of the screen here. And on the top part, the training part, it will show your week's training. Right now it says I'm doing a session on Monday, Thursday and Friday. If I wanted to change those days around, I'd click into the training part. And then I would click into the top right hand corner with the square with the arrows on it. So click into that. That will allow you to rearrange your days. If I wanted to change my Thursday to a Wednesday, just simply drag and drop it onto the Wednesday there. Click into the top left hand corner to go back and do the same again to go back onto that screen. Then after that, I'll click into the bottom left hand part that says today. You will then see if you have a workout for today here. I have a workout here. Before doing that though, generally I would give you a readiness form to fill out. So you see here on tasks, click on start form, and it's a quick little thing that I'd recommend you to do before your session. So I'm going to click that, keep on going, and then mood. Once that's done, it's submitted, very, very quick. Then you're ready to go into your workout. So click into start workout. It will then show you a little overview of the session itself. I might give you a description. Then here's your warm-up, your block A, which is our supersets. Then your block B, just normal sets. And then you have your block C there, which is just your cardio here. Feel free to click into an exercise if you're not too sure what it's about. So click into, say, trap bar deadlift. You can click into the video there for the demonstration and some more notes there at the bottom. Whenever you're ready, you are to start your workout. Gives you a quick little overview of the warm-up itself. I'm going to start section. Then I'm on to the first one, which is the assault air bike. I'm going to do that for 3 minutes. It says time 3, so 3 minutes, around an RP of 7. Most air bikes or assault bikes have the timer built into it. So once you start moving, the timer will start going. Once you're finished your 3 minutes, you can input the RPMs or the cadence of what you did on the machine. Example here would be 55. Then you just click that little tick there to say that you did it. It'll move you on to the next part of the warm-up. Same kind of thing applies. And then the next part. And then once you've done that, click done. Then it moves you on to the next part, which is the block A exercises. Notice here on the left hand side it says superset, so these are supersets. Start the section, and then same kind of thing, you're going to do your trap bar deadlift for 8 reps, and then you are to move on to your next exercise straight away because it's a superset. You do your dumbbell incline bench press. You are then to rest for 60 seconds. So under the dumbbell incline bench press, you'll see rest 60 seconds there. You're to write in your weights on the RPE or RIR of those exercises while you're resting. If you wanted to use the timer on the app, just click the top right hand corner, the little stopwatch symbol. You can then change it to stopwatch or timer, and you can set it to your 1 minute or 60 seconds there as well. Then you'll be moving on to your next superset or set 2. Do the same thing with the superset 3. Once you've done them, click done. On to the next one. Start sections. This one aren't supersets, they're just normal ones. You might notice also there, I might give a little note on the exercise itself. So this one, say, write in the whole number where the J hooks are. And this one, you're just gonna click in every single set individually, then it'll move you on to your next exercise in that block. Once you've done that, finish, then you're on to your final one. Your little section here, which is going to be a rower for this client. You notice here the time on the kind of bottom part is 20, basically 20 seconds of work. And if you just go above that, or just below the rower erg word, you'll see rest, set 1, 10 seconds, set 2, 10 seconds, set 3, 10 seconds, and on and on. That basically is, whenever you do your 20 seconds of work, you have 10 seconds rest. I'd recommend for this bit, you can just fill it in at the end of your doing that exercise. So once you've completed all your sets, you can then fill in the meters that you hit. Example here will be 222 meters, and your RPE will be 7. Click them and then click done. Then you will finish your workout. Once you've done that, just swipe to end workout, and then it gives you some kind of fun information there. When you're done, then just click the top left hand corner for that X. And then it'll let you rate how hard the workout was. You can slide that down to whatever kind of part you think is relevant. Gives you a bit more information. And then once you've done that, then you just click that X in the top left hand corner, and then you're done.